The digestive system is a complex system that is responsible for breaking down food and converting it into nutrients that the body can use for energy, growth, and repair. The digestive system consists of several parts that work together to complete this process. Each part of the digestive system plays a critical role in breaking down food and extracting nutrients. Mouth. The mouth is where the digestive process begins. The teeth and tongue help to break down food, and the saliva contains enzymes that start to break down carbohydrates. Esophagus. The esophagus is a muscular tube that connects the mouth to the stomach. It uses rhythmic contractions to move food down to the stomach. Stomach. The stomach is a muscular sac that mixes and grinds food with stomach acid and enzymes, breaking it down further into a liquid-like substance called chyme. Small intestine. The small intestine is a long, narrow tube that is the primary site of nutrient absorption. It receives digestive enzymes from the pancreas and bile from the liver, which help to break down fats. Large intestine. The large intestine is a wider tube that absorbs water and electrolytes from the remaining food, producing solid waste that is eliminated from the body through the rectum and anus. Liver. The liver produces bile, which is stored in the gallbladder and released into the small intestine to help break down fats. Pancreas. The pancreas produces enzymes that are released into the small intestine to help break down carbohydrates, proteins, and fats.